You just found the 2018 Nissan Altima. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, rear reading lamps, MP3 player. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.